Click on the link below to get price. The Qlife Electric Bike for adults is a remarkable blend of power, convenience, and style. With its robust 750W motor, this e-bike stands out for its ability to tackle challenging terrains while maintaining an impressive speed. The pedal assist feature offers a seamless transition between manual pedaling and motor assistance, making it ideal for both leisurely rides and more intense workouts. One of the first things that strikes you is the sleek design. The frame is not only sturdy but also lightweight, making it easy to handle and maneuver. The 7-speed gearing system allows riders to choose their level of exertion, whether they're cruising through city streets or conquering steep hills. The transition between gears is smooth and intuitive, providing a much appreciated level of control. The battery life is another impressive aspect of the Qlife e-bike. With a range of up to 40 miles on a single charge, it's perfect for longer commutes or weekend adventures. The removable battery adds convenience, allowing users to charge it indoors without bringing the entire bike inside. Additionally, the bike's LED headlight and taillight enhance safety during night rides, making it suitable for urban environments. Comfort has not been overlooked either. The adjustable seat ensures a personalized fit, while the front suspension absorbs shocks from uneven surfaces. The ergonomic handlebars provide a comfortable grip, reducing strain during longer rides. However, potential buyers should consider that assembly can be somewhat challenging, particularly for those unfamiliar with bike mechanics. A professional assembly might be a wise investment. Overall, the Qlife Electric Bike for adults is a compelling choice for anyone seeking an electric bike that balances performance, comfort, and style. Its robust motor, thoughtful design, and impressive range make it a worthy investment for commuting or recreational riding. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or a newcomer, it offers a fantastic way to explore your surroundings with ease and enjoyment.